For millennia, humanity has dug into the earth, seeking its hidden treasures. This is the story of mining, an industry as old as civilization itself. From the first flint tools to the gold of ancient empires, mining has powered our progress. Every leap in human history, from the Bronze Age to the Industrial Revolution, was built on materials drawn from the ground. Look around you. The device in your hand, the building you're in, all began in a mine. The metals and minerals of our modern world are gifts from the earth, often taken for granted. Mining is the unseen foundation of our lives, a silent partner in our daily existence. But the world is changing, and so must mining. The old ways are no longer enough for our growing population and technological ambitions. We now recognize the profound impact our actions have on the planet. The story of mining is entering a new chapter, one that demands innovation and respect for nature. The challenge is immense, but so is the opportunity. The future of mining is being reimagined, smarter, cleaner, and more efficient. We stand on the edge of a revolution that will transform this ancient industry. Mining is becoming a force not just for building our world, but for sustaining it. This is not just about machines and technology. It's about our relationship with the planet itself. The journey ahead is about meeting our needs in harmony with the world that gives us everything. Welcome to the new era of mining. For generations, coal was king, fueling factories and lighting homes, but burning fossil fuels has come at a steep cost to our climate. Now, a new gold rush is underway, not for gold or coal but for critical minerals. Lithium, cobalt, nickel and copper are the building blocks of our green future. Lithium powers electric cars, cobalt extends battery life, copper connects our renewable energy grids. Demand for these minerals is soaring as we shift to clean energy. A single electric car needs far more minerals than a conventional one. Wind farms and solar panels require vast amounts of copper and other metals. To save the planet, we must look deep within it, responsibly. The challenge: source these materials without harming communities or ecosystems. The new gold rush must be guided by wisdom, not greed. Our goal is a sustainable cycle, from mine to machine and back again. The future depends on how we mine for a greener world. The mines of the future are nothing like those of the past. The lone miner with a pickaxe is history. In its place, a world of automation and artificial intelligence. Welcome to the era of the smart mine. Autonomous trucks navigate tunnels, guided by sensors and GPS, operating around the clock. Drones map vast sites in minutes, keeping workers out of harm's way. Data is now as valuable as ore, driving precision and efficiency. At the heart of this revolution is the digital twin, a virtual replica of the entire mine. Operators can monitor, test, and optimize every aspect in real time without stepping underground. This leap in technology is changing mining jobs, demanding data scientists, drone pilots, and robotics engineers. The focus is shifting from physical labor to intellectual power. Automation and AI are making mines safer and more productive. Dangerous tasks are handled by machines, creating a controlled, secure work environment. The digital revolution is redefining what it means to work in mining. The future belongs to those who can harness technology for safety and sustainability. Mining is becoming smarter and safer than ever before. Mining's heavy footprint on nature is being reimagined. Enter green mining, a commitment to reduce environmental impact at every stage. Mines are now powered by solar and wind, replacing diesel engines with electric machinery. This shift means cleaner air and a smaller carbon footprint. Water, once used in vast quantities, is now recycled in closed-loop systems. These innovations protect local rivers, groundwater, and ecosystems. Sustainability extends to the end of a mine's life. Land rehabilitation plans restore sites to their natural state, or even better. Former mines become nature reserves, lakes, or farmland. Green mining is a promise to heal the land we borrow. The industry is learning that its survival depends on the planet's health. Every step from extraction to closure is being transformed. The gold mines that are models of sustainability, not scars on the landscape. This is mining painted green, a new standard for the future. The path forward is clear: extract responsibly, restore diligently. As demand for critical minerals grows, we look to new frontiers, the deep sea and outer space. The ocean floor holds nodules rich in cobalt, nickel, and manganese, vital for green technologies. Retrieving them requires advanced robots that can withstand crushing depths. But the deep sea is a fragile, mysterious world. We must proceed with caution. Even more ambitious is mining in space. Asteroids between Mars and Jupiter are mountains of metal, holding more resources than Earth itself. Space mining could provide materials without harming our planet. The challenges are immense: robotics, spacecraft, and cost. But the journey has begun. Companies and agencies are developing the technology to mine celestial bodies. What seems like science fiction is inching closer to reality. Humanity's drive to explore and extract is pushing us to the edge of the possible. But with new frontiers come new responsibilities. We must balance ambition with stewardship, wherever we mine. The next great adventure may be beneath the waves or among the stars. The future of mining is truly limitless. The future of mining is about more than technology. It's about people and responsibility. A new era demands trust, respect, and partnership with local communities. Social license to operate is now as vital as any government permit. Companies must engage openly, ensuring local people benefit through jobs and development. Protecting cultural heritage and the environment is non-negotiable. True progress means everyone shares in the rewards. There's also a new source of metals: urban mining. Our discarded electronics are rich in gold, silver, and copper. Recycling reduces the need for new extraction and prevents pollution. Cities are becoming the mines of the future, fueling a circular economy. By reusing and recycling, we become stewards of both the natural and built worlds. Sustainable mining is about people, planet, and progress, together. The story of mining is the story of humanity, shaping our past and building our future. We stand at a turning point, facing climate change and rising demand for technology. Mining must become smarter, cleaner, and more responsible. Critical minerals are the foundation of the green revolution. Smart mines, automation, and digital twins are making mining safer and more efficient. Green mining is now a reality, with renewable energy and water recycling leading the way. As we explore new frontiers, we carry a sense of caution and responsibility. Mining will remain vital, but it must work in harmony with the planet. Through innovation, green practices, and recycling, mining is being forged anew. It's a key partner in our journey to a sustainable future. The next chapter is ours to write, together, for people and the planet.